I think there's an important distinction to be made between the category of persons and the concept of personality on the one hand. So we divide things into persons and non-persons. Personality is a way of characterizing certain aspects of persons. Now, our personalities change considerably throughout our lives. We become more complex beings, but we remain persons throughout. So to be a person is to enjoy, I think, a certain kind of moral status. We treat persons very differently from the way we treat non-persons. We think persons have rights. And so part of the debate about animal rights is to do with whether we should treat animals as persons or not. Now, of course, there have to be conditions under which we think something is a person or not. And the question is, should those be purely biological? Should that be sort of genetically defined? Or should it be mental? Now, the trouble with defining person in the category person in purely mental terms is that it's not clear that fetuses, for example, will satisfy some of those mental characteristics. You know, they don't have self-consciousness, for example. Also, at the other end of life, where you see cases of advanced dementia, for example, you see personalities begin to disintegrate, loss of memory and so on and so forth, perhaps loss of self-consciousness. It's very hard at that point, though, to say that although their personality is disintegrated, these individuals no longer count as persons, because that would seem to have some serious moral implications. And typically we do think that those who have advanced dementia, whose personalities, memories are disintegrating, nevertheless have an important moral status. They have rights.